Balanced Body Studio Reformer with Classic Footbar. If you are seeking something for the well-built body, then this may be it. This Pilates Reformer by Balanced Body features a carriage the length of 41 inches. It is quite bulky, however it comes with a good cause. The frame of this machine is made from a mix of materials, making it a Strata Rock Maple frame. It is strongly built, making it good to last quite a while. The assembly of this item may be straightforward, but feel free to get additional help. This reformer comes with many additions and accessories. It comes equipped for a surprising 46 resistance configurations, which will work perfectly for beginners and pros alike. It also has a heavy-duty vinyl padding in different colors and the Revo footbar with a non-slip cushy cover and 4 locking positions. With this, users can expect to enjoy a wide variety of workouts on a machine built to last a long time. Sticking with the modern era, this machine comes packaged with the ability for users to stream workout videos. Both beginner and experienced practitioners will enjoy using this Pilates reformer. Here are some pros. Large carriage for a smooth ride, has a footbar with support built for comfort, comes with 46 resistance configurations. Here are some cons. Bulky. Coming